why not get creative in your kitchen with the Kitchen Genie Silicone KitchenAid from Creative Products. Heat resistant up to an amazing 200 degrees C, it's perfect for picking up hot pans. Used as a trivet, it keeps worktops protected. So versatile in the kitchen. With Kitchen Genie you can delicately steam fish or vegetables, preserving essential vitamins and minerals. Or why not line a baking tray when grilling? Reach for Kitchen Genie when prepping and chopping, then straight into the pot. No mess or fuss. Need a handy funnel? Simply roll and pour. Genius! Makes a great splatter guard for microwave cooking. Kitchen Genie saves burnt fingers when handling hot kitchenware. Kitchen Genie is the perfect cushion in your sink when washing delicate objects such as glasses. Can't open that jar? The grooved surface grips lids for easy opening. It even makes any tray non-slip. Amazing! No more messy worktops. Kitchen Genie makes an ideal worktop saver for dirty utensils, as well as protecting surfaces from spills and scratches. Use it as a handy non-slip cushion when mixing. It makes an ideal trivet or placemat when serving any hot food. When cooking outside, quickly keep food covered and safe from pests. It even stops cross-contamination in the fridge. It's lightweight and easy to clean, and rolls up tight for easy storage. Incredibly versatile, you'll find so many uses for the Kitchen Genie heat-resistant silicone KitchenAid. So get creative in your kitchen and take one or more to the checkout now.